guys, I'm about to figure out how this shower works. I think, okay, this is, okay, do I have to push? I want to shower. What the fuck, guys? Okay, I think I got it. You have to pull this one out. Out. Okay. This is medieval technology here. What the fuck?
Guys, first of all, it's a new day, right? And I'm coming from the Barton Springs Mill somewhere in the outer rim of Austin. Dude, it was crazy to find this. It's actually so far away. Like for someone who was never, or who doesn't live here in Texas. And I did a tour of the mill. Can recommend this definitely. Yeah, for the plans of having a bakery here, this is definitely a go-to mill for me. And it's just nice to have something like this unlocked, right? You need to get all of the resources in, and America is a little bit special with everything. And food-wise, it's crazy here. And yeah, it's just so refreshing, or it's just relieving. I think it's the word to have set one stove. It's not much, and it's basically not anything I can build on, because I'm missing things. but yeah, it's just, now I know where I could get that bread and all the grain stuff for my bread. Yesterday I was at the comedy Mothership by Joe Rogan. There was the Joe Rogan special, and it was such a great night. 3 hours. I will do a separate video about like how it is there, but I can definitely go. I can definitely recommend going to and again a night where Joe Rogan is there. He was phenomenal. I'm not that big at vlogging, but I try to get things recorded. I mean, that's the biggest concern. Getting the video footage and actually talking. I have to do some voiceover because I can't talk everywhere, right? It's a little bit uncomfortable because I never did this. And yeah, I'm currently driving now to South Congress Road. I need some new shoes, and I'm thinking about some boots, not the big ones, just I don't know, some work boots or something. Yeah, I will do some driving now for half an hour. Traffic here in Texas is not that bad. Perhaps I was driving 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. from my place to the mill. And yeah, it wasn't that bad. I've fallen out with Texas right now. More I'm here, it's the second full day now, right? I landed on Tuesday, now it's Thursday, and I don't know, it's just getting better. It's just getting better. Now some cut to the next place wherever I be. I don't know. I don't plan anything. It's a little bit madness. Yeah. Go look the road now. Guys, it's crazy because I always say crazy. I should stop. But no, look at me, right? I have a t-shirt on, I have a jacket, like a small one, and long pants. And it's like 50-50. People walk around like me, and then you have people that walk around basically naked. It's definitely too hot for my jacket, but I don't want to carry it, so I have to go through that. I'm currently on South Congress Road. I don't know what the hell I'm doing here. I'm just browsing. don't know if you guys have a thing like me. When I'm on vacation and I'm in warm places, I look for cacti and succulents because my grandpa collected those. So that's a childhood memory, and I don't know, like I make some pictures of those and then I send it to my grandpa and he's like, oh yeah, there's this cactus, and I don't know. then I get all the information about the cactus. And my parents were in a construction industry, so specialized on construction cranes for small one family houses. I do need boots like that here, right? But they don't have my size. I don't know if they have more, but I don't want to buy one of these. These are huge. Holy crap. 164. Size 13. 47 now. Too big. Why do they have here so huge feet? What the hell? Okay, I really want to buy a trouser, but they are all cut so long that you can wear them with boots, right? And I'm not planning to buy one of those because I don't have a reason to wear them or occasion. It's a little bit sad, right? I like these kind of trousers, but they don't have a 32. I don't know, I'm not fat enough to be American. I'm not slim enough to be American. Or they are all sold out because they are the most chosen sizes. I don't know, man. This is... But Allen Boots, nice shop, but I don't know if I would buy anything. Okay guys, I gotta tell you, I walked all of South Congress and I can't recommend it. I can't recommend it. The Congress Street or Avenue, whatever it is, in the downtown area is way better to walk. It's straight, it's flat, it's not as hilly and active like the South Congress. Just come here, look up some place here and then go there. When you want to walk it, then it's maximum 1 hour. And yeah, I don't know. South Congress is not the best, I would say, that Austin has to offer. There has to be a little bit more. Now I want to drive to KG BBQ, eat something. It's 2 p.m. Yeah, let's go, guys.
Happy birthday.
Okay guys, after KG BBQ, I'm here at Mueller Park for some walk. I don't know, just checking out the place and have some walk. I don't know, there are duck. There's the guy fishing there. I don't know, some people. It's dry as fuck here, but I think that's just Texas, right? It's just Texas. And the sun is nice, right? Sorry, the sun is nice currently. And yeah, I mean, I'm in t-shirt here. I have some sunscreen, sun protection on. The sun is nice. There's slightly wind. There are homeless people burning something.
Alter, stinkt das. And I don't know. It seems like a nice day for Texas. Not too hot. A lot of people saying that America is not walkable. And that's true when you think of I can't walk from one end from the city to the other. And I would never walk from North Austin to South Austin. But when there is a walkable place like this park, you have it like this. The Capitol grounds, of course, they are nice, but here I consider this now as just any kind of park, right? And they have everything smooth. That's incredible for a European perspective. That is incredible. And this is not the best ground material, but I mean it's nice. It is nice. So many animals here. I don't know. I come from there. I'm already half through, I guess. Wo ist er? Wo ist er? Da. Der G. They ain't shy. They ain't shy here. I had to go to my Airbnb because I had to shit. And I know I shouldn't eat raw onion, but I paid for it, right? I had to eat it. And yeah, I had to come back to this place. Mueller Park is okay. I mean, when you live there, you can have a walk there, but I mean, driving to Mueller Park is, I can't recommend it. It's just not enough. The circle is not long enough that I can recommend it. But the weather was nice. Yeah, KG barbecue, right? KG barbecue. Holy shit, I hate Emaille cups. Oh, the coffee is shit. KG barbecue, right? KG barbecue. It was okay. I had brisket, I had a kofta, some pita, and pita bread, and some salad. I think the best was the sauce, the barbecue sauce. I think there was wine in it or some kind of vinegar. And I really would order this again. So the brisket, but you need the sauce. The kofta were okay. Like, there could be more spice in it. I think next time I would go for the lamb chops, but this is again a barbecue place where I paid $60. It's crazy for the European people. It's €50. And I mean, I always say crazy, and I mean, right? I gotta stop that. Dude, I'm growing a second head. Do you see this? No one sees this here. I don't know. Dude, I feel it. I don't know why, but it's not nice. It's not nice. Perhaps it's because I didn't clean the razor before I used it. That was a stupid idea. Yeah, I don't know. I will perhaps have a walk or drive to HEB because I want to get vinegar. Vinegar is the #1 tip I can give you for going to foreign places and eating food you're not used to. And it helps your stomach digesting that shit. I wanted to get this already yesterday, but I was too lazy, and going there for just this thing wasn't good, wasn't right. I was the very first day I was at HEB and bought water because I can't drink this water here out of the tap water. And I forgot the vinegar because it has to be organic apple cider vinegar that's not clarified, right? All the other shit I don't want to drink. And yeah, I don't know. There was some finishing sentence into my stomach is not good. My stomach is not good. But I think it's more the one burger I had from Whataburger at Tuesday when I landed here, because I just drove to the closest Whataburger there was to the airport, and it didn't look nice there. And after eating the burger, I didn't feel nice, and I think it's just dragging now over the days. Because the food, the other food like Terry Black's and KG BBQ, they were actually good. They were actually good, and like you feel that they have fresh stuff and everything. But I know I shouldn't eat onions. Naja. Okay, perhaps this is not the last thing of the day, but it's definitely something I had to share with you. Dude, I have to spend more outside to get some tan. Guys, can someone explain me what a 10 ounce is? Or liquid ounces it is, right? Because when I did the 12 ounces for cleaning the cup and the machine, always clean the machine when you're somewhere. Holy shit. Do you see that? There. Nah. I ain't going anywhere.
Let the screw